I have dead spots on this row of trees. What is going on? What can I do to make my trees healthy again? Diane from Hernando, Mississippi. So as you can see there, look at that at the top.
Yeah, it reminds me of bagworms.
God, it
And I
reminds me of
really
bagworms,
want to know if she can see them, because you should be able to see the little bags hanging in the trees. Because that would be I've seen that damage before.
I have too,
and
right at the top.
that's usually what it is. BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, is real easy. I've had this problem before, and I've put the BT in and dialed the rate that I needed for the gain of a garden hose, so I could get it up further in the tree, and sprayed BT on a tree that had bagworms, and I haven't seen them in 2 or 3 years now.
Right. Right.
So it can be done. She'll see them, little bags on the trees, to make sure that's what that is.
And the larva is going to be out for those bagworms pretty much in the spring, right? But after it forms those bags, it's going to be tough to use any type of insecticide. So at that point, if you can reach them, you could take them off.
Picking them off would be really good at this point.
Right.
May and June.
This late in,
May and June, when they're actively feeding, is when you want to apply the BT. And also, at this point too, it looks bad, so maybe a little fertilizer and TLC with trying to keep the plants healthy will help it grow out of that.
Right. And keep those evergreens watered, please. During any drought-like conditions, they need to be watered for sure, because if not, they become stressed. And then when those plants become stressed, then guess what?
Bugs.
Here come the bugs. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.